Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know how to create objects through Schema Builder. Schema Builder in Salesforce is a tool that lets you visualize and edit your data model. It's useful for designing and understanding complex data models. Why Schema Builder? If object counts in Salesforce org gets increased, data model become complex to understand. To understand objects and its relationships, we have to navigate to multiple pages in Salesforce. So Salesforce introduced a schema builder where you can see all the objects of the whole Salesforce org in one place. And also we can verify and visualize the relationship between the objects. Schema Builder is a wide concept to do many operations in data model. We can create custom objects and custom fields as well. We will see about Schema Builder in detail in our upcoming videos. Now we go and see demo of creating a custom object in Schema Builder. Let's go to the demo. Now go to the setup and click Object Manager. Go to Schema Builder. Now Schema Builder windows will be opened. Here you can see already so many objects are opened and its relation between other object also has been mentioned here. You can clearly see the pictorial representation of object relationships. Okay. Now we create a new object here. Clear all. Choose elements and choose object and drag it and put in this window, and it will ask for the details as like in Salesforce. After giving all the required details, if you click save, an object will be created. Now employee details has been created with 4 standard fields. If you want to add more custom fields, you can add it one by one here. Just give the name of the field which you are trying to create. We can choose field based on the data type. If you want to create a date field, you have to choose date. If you want to create an email field, you have to choose email, or whatever the type that you are trying to open or create, you have to choose it and then you have to drag it to the object which you are trying to create for. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to see more such videos. Thank you guys.